Happy Monday and happy November. It's really hard to believe that we're saying November already. It's crazy how fast everything is gone. Hey, if you got an email with the video last week in the middle of the week saying Happy June, very sorry about that. I actually don't know how that video got sent out of the CRM, so that was kind of a weird thing. Hey, I've had a lot of people kind of act like they're upset or frustrated about where interest rates are. Interest rates have came up a little bit. And I've had a few first-time home buyers give me the, man, I'm not buying a house until rates get back below 3% or get lower than 3.25%. And so I put together, I found a chart actually online that kind of puts together all of the history of interest rates, and is really eye-opening to see that how many times in the last 50 years we have not been able to get an interest rate under 3.5. So it's really helpful to be able to show that buyer that maybe they're being a little unrealistic trying to wait until interest rates come down, because we all know interest rates are going to go up. And I've had a lot of those same people say that they're not going to buy a house right now. They're going to wait till next year when housing prices are lower. And I know that you have a great ability to explain why housing prices aren't going to be lower next year than they are today. I mean, we have seen some loosening in inventory, a little bit easier for some of these FHA or government loans to get an accepted purchase agreement, but still a lot of things above list with gap coverage and a lot of offers on other homes. So I don't see a real drop in housing coming, right around the corner. And talking about that, I have a lot of people that are really excited about the change in the conventional loan limit jumping up to $625,000. I know it's a big jump over the old limit of 548,250. It does help people stay out of those little bit higher rates and more difficult jumbo programs. That's pretty exciting. If you got anybody that's on that edge and didn't know they could make that switch, let me know. We'll help them out. There is a Fed meeting this week. It's on the 3rd. Everyone is expecting the Fed to announce the start of tapering, or at least when tapering will begin. If you don't know what tapering is, give me a call. We can kind of talk about that. Um, this is going to have another effect on interest rates. As we see tapering start, it's going to probably cause the bond yields to increase and rates to go up a little bit more. So just kind of be ready for that to happen out there. Hey, still knocking down pre-approvals in an hour or less, 7 days a week. So don't hesitate to call me on the weekends or the evenings. We can get your customer all pre-approved and ready to go. Our turn times are still smoking. Actually, we've kind of moved down to 24 hours on underwriting for all loan types, closing those loans inside of 30 days. Conventional loans with 20% down on the appraisal waiver, we're closing those things in like 15 days. So if you want to find out how to get an appraisal waiver on one of your customers before they even put an offer on the house, give me a call and I can talk you through that program. 317-538-9825. Thanks for watching. Have a great week.